UKC Builders Incorporated, an established and experienced general contractor specializing in large-scale foundation works, in tandem with their sister company Technostress Systems Corporation, a manufacturer of quality precast and pre-stressed concrete products, has added the new state-of-the-art hydraulic static pile driver to their fleet of pile driving equipment. The hydraulic static pile driver complements the existing conventional diesel hammers and a 7-ton capacity hydraulic impact hammer to raise the bar in the local industry to quality standards currently adopted in Europe and other Asian countries. In urban and populated areas where environmental restrictions for noise, pollution, and vibration are strictly enforced, static pile driving is the solution. The pile is completely pressed into the ground by static force without the hammering noise, excessive smoke, or disturbing vibration in the surrounding areas. Advantages: no noise, air pollution, and vibration inherent to using an impact hammer. Work construction is quiet, neat, and less cluttered. Minimum manpower requirement and more efficient. Accurate measurement of pile resistance during driving through pressure gauge readings. Each pile is assured to attain the required bearing capacity. Since driving force is concentrated very near to the top of the ground, slenderness ratio of the pile during the application of force is not critical. Pile toughness is not a factor in using the equipment. Pile is easily spotted to the predetermined position since it is very easy to maneuver. Ideal workflow: circular or square piles manufactured from any accredited suppliers are delivered to the site and unloaded by mobile crane and stockpiled near the final position of the pile. The static pile driver is moved to the predetermined pile position established by a survey group. The pile is easily aimed to its final position using step-like motion and lateral movement through its highly accurate hydraulic control system. A level bubble ensures the uprightness of the pile. The pile is lifted upright by an independent crane and is spotted to the clamping box which holds the pile firmly erect. The clamping box is attached to a quasi-constant powered piling drive system composed of 2 pairs of hydraulic cylinders which provides the measured force of the driving system. Pressing may commence once the pile is in its final location and is firmly clamped in position. Each stroke averages 1.6 meters long with a minimum speed of 1.4 meters per minute to a maximum of 3.77 meters per minute. Actual speed may vary depending on the soil condition. The equipment is capable of embedding a pile head 10 meters below the ground. Requirements to operate the hydraulic static pile driver: the ground must be level and compact in order to support the dead weight of the unit. Pile location must be staked to the ground prior to operating the static pile driver. A separate crane is required for piles that exceed the length capacity of the built-in crane.